Accounts payable teams' invoice processing workflows are usually manual and complex that entail a number of steps. Manual processing of the invoices. Manually receive, sort, and enter invoice data into the system. Each step is time-consuming, prone to human error, and requires substantial manual effort. Piles of paper, data entry errors, and slow processing times. Multiple approval levels. Cross-referencing against purchase orders and contracts. Employees pass invoices from desk to desk for approvals. Lead to errors and delays, lost invoices, lack of visibility. Automated invoice processing. Invoices are received electronically. Email, images, PDFs. OCR extracts data from invoices in different formats. The system uses three-way matching to automatically match the extracted data with purchase orders, contracts, and inventory levels. Real-time invoice approval workflows accelerate the process for quick decision-making. Key benefits of invoice automation. AI-powered invoice automation solution significantly enhances accounts payable processes. Automated invoice processing emerges as the game changer, propelling businesses toward a future of streamlined operations.